Hey, how's it going? You got Lanai with another edition of Wikibites. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make a really quick tulip baked omelet. All we need is a can of tulip, and I'm just gonna cube this up right here. We're gonna get some eggs. I'm gonna mix up those eggs, and you also wanna preheat your oven to 350, all right? And I'm just gonna cube this like this. Tulip luncheon meat, very good. Tastes like bacon to me. Great pork item. You can use it in many different things, but I love to do this in a baked omelet. Really simple. Just cube it up like that. I love everything eggs, by the way. So I just got some eggs. I'm gonna whisk them up like this, and I'm gonna put everything in the bowl. That's how simple this is. So for those of you who don't really know how to cook, this is the recipe for you. I'm just gonna beat them like that. I'm gonna put my tulip inside like that. And if you want more meat, you can put all of it. If you don't want that much, you can just put half of it. I'm gonna get some diced onions. I got some green bell peppers. If you want to add some color to that, you can use some red or yellow bell peppers, some green onion, some cheddar cheese, and you can use any type of cheese you want as well. Put the cheese in there. And this is the secret ingredient right here, half and half. All right, you can just put some half and half in there. And I'm gonna mix this up like this. Just give it a good mix. I got me a glass pan, Pyrex, and I'm just gonna dump this in here. Again, put the oven at 350. Just balance it out like that. I'm gonna drop this in the oven. About 20 minutes or so. And you can just check on it to see how well you want it. All right? Just gonna move this out of the way. Through the magic of television, we made one. And it looks just like this. Look at that. Beautiful. Huh? If you like eggs, you're gonna love this recipe right here. It's a tulip baked omelet. There you go.